Bro, do you know who the sauciest dude out here is? Nah, bro. Who? It gotta be this dude, Wonder Don.
What's good, you guys? It's your boy Wanda Dawn, and I'm back with another video. So you feel me? Today, obviously, I'm not sitting down in the normal chair over there. You feel me? Today, I'm standing up, but I'm standing up for a reason. You feel me? I have something to show y'all. Remember how I said December 28th I had something for y'all? Well, what I had canceled. I was supposed to get a tattoo, but my tattoo artist, someone in her shop ended up getting COVID, so like she had to reschedule my appointment. So yeah, I was supposed to get a tattoo, but now I can't get one. But yeah, it doesn't matter because I still got something to show y'all. Now hold on one second. Hold on. Ready for this? Green screen, my guy. Green screen, bro. The whole wall, bro. The whole wall, my guy. Green screen. You feel me? Green screen. You feel me? Yo, I got a green screen. So, like, now my videos are about to be, like, 10 times better, bro. Like, what, bro? Hold on. That's not even the best part. Hold on. You feel me? Look at that lighting, bro. What, bro? Look at that lighting, my guy. Tell me that's not just like a... Bro, I'm telling you, bro. Like, y'all... I don't know, bro. You feel me? I'm gonna just let... You feel me, bro? That's it. I don't really like to talk much, you feel me? I just like to put in the work, and you feel me? Get to it. So, yeah. Now I got a green screen, so my videos are about to be 10 times more fire. I've never made a video with it before, and I'm just starting to learn how to edit with all that and all. Starting to learn how to edit and like actually use this. So yeah, I'm gonna learn. But I got y'all. I really got y'all. Like I told y'all, my videos are about to be fire, especially my short films. Like I really want to take the short films more serious. Like I like writing. Like these videos right here are fun. Like I'm using these videos more so as practice, but like I want to make like the short films. And bro, 2021, bro, just trust, bro. It's clip. But you feel me? 2020 is coming to an end. If you made it this far, bro, you are blessed. You are blessed to make it this far, because bro, 2021, bro, that was mad hard. I mean, 2020, bro, was one of the toughest years of all time. But hold on, I'm gonna put this camera down. My arms are kind of getting a little tired. Yeah, it's pretty heavy, so yeah. Alright, so yeah. I just wanted to low-key kind of eat this food because your boy is starving. I always eat the pizza with the crust folded majority of the times. But, like I said, 2020, if you made it this far, yo, you're blessed, bro. You're about to see a new year. You feel me? Good advance with this year. Like, even though it was really tough and like, this pizza is dry, bro. Give me 1 second. I have to come back from the ranch before I freaking choked on this bread. Honestly, I should have ate this right when it got out, but that was mad things I had to do. So yeah, I got a little dry on the kid, but what was I saying? 2020, you feel me? Made it this far, yo. Mad things happened this year, but I feel like this year blew by. Like Kobe, bro, that was one of the biggest shocks. Like Chadwick Boseman, mad people passed, bro. Mad good music dropped. Mad memes. Whole lot of BS, bro. Mad stuff happened this year, but bro, we still out here. I feel like the biggest lessons that we could take from 2020 is like, don't take things for granted, because like you really never know like when certain things could be taken away from you at any given moment. Like you really never know what's gonna happen. Like life is crazy. Like you really never know what's going to happen. Like, bro, tomorrow could be a whole different day than what it is today. And bro, there's nothing you can do about it. Like, you literally just gotta like go through and just experience and like, you feel me, just be out here. And like, that's exactly what has just been going on in like 2020. Like, bro, like the days literally just kept going by and like, bro, like time doesn't exist to me, bro. Like on dogs, bro, like time doesn't exist to me anymore. Like I look at this whole thing like, bro, it's mad weird. Like like literally, bro, we're just out here existing. Like when I was in quarantine, like there was no such thing as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, bro. It was literally today. And then today. That was all it was. Like it was literally today and today, bro. That's all it was. It's like even though as hard as 2020 was on all of us, I feel like it's made us like stronger, like individually. Like I feel like even though like it was hell, quarantine at some points was hell. Like at some points it was lit. Like I had no work, no school, no nothing. I was just chilling, vibing in the crib. But at certain points it was just like, damn, bro. Like I'm really just out here, just in my room, just stuck, like bro, just me and my thoughts, you feel me? So it's like I had to like go through and just like face mad just like bullshit and just like try to like clean out my head and just like, you feel me, really lay back and like think about life as just like whoa, like you feel me, like we're just really out here just in this little just this world, like you feel me? So it's like you really can't be taking things for granted because you never know when certain things are gonna get taken away from you. Cherish everything, like enjoy the present moment. Like life is crazy, bro. Life is really crazy. I'm not even saying like on some negative stuff, like bro, tomorrow, bro, you could wake up and be a millionaire, bro. Your dreams could come true tomorrow. Literally. Who am I to say that they can't? Literally. Whatever you're doing, bro, like tomorrow could be the best day of your life, bro. Literally. Like you never know, bro. Tomorrow is just literally, bro, like it's crazy. Like I'm always someone who like likes to look forward, but sometimes I was like I be trying to center myself and come back into reality. But like my head is always in the future. Like I'm always just thinking about different stuff that I want to do later on. But I feel like, bro, that's kind of a gift and a curse because it's a gift and a curse because sometimes it's good to be like that, but at the same time, it's not. If you're always looking forward to the future, bro, you never really enjoyed the now, bro. And now is what's the most important. And I feel like that's what quarantine showed because it's literally just today, 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 bro. And it was just the same thing every single day, over and over on repeat, bro. I literally would wake up, brush my teeth, turn on my laptop, Hulu, Netflix, anime, YouTube, whatever the case was, bro. Play my brother in Madden or something, bro. Literally every single day, bro, is the same thing, bro. I was like, damn, bro, I can't do this, bro. But yeah, bro, I'm kind of just rambling on. But yeah, like I was saying, you feel me? 2020, bro, we are blessed to make it this far. You feel me? Going to a new year, 2021. We don't know what 2021 is gonna hold. Like it could be as crazy as this year was, or you feel me, something even better. But who knows what it is, bro? All I can say is, bro, we on to the next, bro. 2021, the level up, bro. We're all getting better, bro. Be better today than you were yesterday, bro. And strive to be better tomorrow than you were today, bro. Period, point blank, bro. Get that done, you feel me? Juan the Don signing out, you guys. Peace out. Have a good one. Y'all.